Hermann and Pauline Einstein welcomed their son, Albert, into the world on March 14, 1879. Little did they know their child would become synonymous with genius. Born in Ulm, Germany, young Albert wasn't a prodigy in the traditional sense. He spoke slowly, struggled with rote learning and even got expelled from school. But within this quiet boy burned a relentless curiosity. He pondered a compass's needle, mesmerized by the invisible force guiding it. This simple object sparked a lifelong fascination with the unseen mechanisms of the universe. Einstein's family moved to Italy when he was a teenager, leaving him behind to complete school. However, he yearned to join them and eventually did so, using his unconventional thinking to excel in his studies. The year 1905 became Einstein's annus mirabilis, his miracle year. At just 26 years old, he published 4 groundbreaking papers that revolutionized physics. Each explored a different facet of the universe, from the nature of light to the secrets of energy and matter. One paper explained the photoelectric effect, proposing that light behaves as both a wave and a particle, a radical concept at the time. Another delved into Brownian motion, providing evidence for the existence of atoms. Yet, it was his work on special relativity that truly shook the foundations of science. Einstein shattered the Newtonian view of a static universe, demonstrating that time and space were not absolute but relative to the observer's motion. His famous equation, each_mc2, emerged from this theory, revealing the profound connection between energy and mass. This equation implied that even a tiny amount of matter could release an immense amount of energy, a concept that would later underpin the development of nuclear power. Building on his 1905 triumph, Einstein spent the next decade grappling with an even more daunting challenge: gravity. He sought to reconcile his theory of special relativity with Newton's law of universal gravitation, a puzzle that had stumped physicists for centuries. After years of intense effort, he unveiled his general theory of relativity in 1915. This groundbreaking theory proposed that gravity was not a force acting at a distance, as Newton had posited, but rather a curvature in the fabric of space-time, caused by the presence of mass and energy. Einstein's theory predicted several phenomena that were counterintuitive, yet ultimately proven true. One was the bending of starlight as it passed near a massive object like the sun. During a solar eclipse in 1919, astronomers observed this very effect, confirming Einstein's theory and catapulting him to international fame. The general theory of relativity also explained the slight anomaly in Mercury's orbit, a mystery that had puzzled astronomers for decades. Beyond the equation, Einstein's later years. As Einstein's fame grew, so did his engagement with the world beyond physics. He became a vocal advocate for peace and social justice, using his platform to speak out against war and oppression. He corresponded with prominent figures like Sigmund Freud and Rabindranath Tagore, engaging in dialogues about humanity's future. His Jewish heritage, once a source of discrimination, became central to his identity, leading him to advocate for Zionism and the establishment of a Jewish state. Despite his public persona, Einstein remained a humble and deeply thoughtful individual. He continued his scientific pursuits, exploring unified field theory in an attempt to unify all the fundamental forces of nature. However, his later work faced skepticism from some in the scientific community, as it delved into increasingly abstract and untested realms. Einstein's personal life also saw its share of turbulence. His marriage to Mileva Maric ended in divorce, and he later married his cousin, Elsa Lowenthal. Einstein's enduring legacy, a ripple through time. Albert Einstein's impact transcended scientific journals and university lecture halls. He became a cultural icon, his name synonymous with genius and his image instantly recognizable worldwide. From witty quotes to photographs of his unruly hair, Einstein permeated popular culture, representing intellectual curiosity and the pursuit of knowledge. His theories, once considered radical, became fundamental to our understanding of the universe. They underpinned countless technological advancements, from GPS navigation to nuclear power, shaping the modern world in profound ways. Einstein's influence extended beyond the realm of science. His outspoken advocacy for peace and social justice resonated with millions. The human behind the genius. While often elevated to mythical status, it's essential to remember Albert Einstein as a human being. He was a loving father, a loyal friend, and a man of deep convictions who grappled with personal struggles and triumphs like anyone else. He was known for his humor, often using wit to illustrate complex scientific concepts and make them more accessible. He was also known for his humility, acknowledging the limitations of human knowledge and the vastness of the universe yet to be understood. Einstein's life was a testament to the power of embracing curiosity, pursuing knowledge with passion, and never losing sight of our shared humanity. He taught us that even the most complex scientific theories are rooted in a sense of wonder and a desire to understand the world around us.